thunderstorm warning for northern Bandera County, eastern Kirk County, southern Blanco County, southern Gillespie County, Kendall County, until 7:15 p.m. Central Standard Time. At 6:14 p.m. Central Standard Time, severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from near Harper to near Ingram to 6 miles northeast of Vanderpool, moving east at 60 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts and penny-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expects damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Severe thunderstorms will be near Kerrville and Kerrville Shriner Park around 6:20 p.m. Central Standard Time. Center Point around 6:25 p.m. Central Standard Time. Comfort and Cypress Creek around 6:30 p.m. Central Standard Time. Camp Verde around 6:35 p.m. Central Standard Time. Bandera, King City, Grapetown, Waring, Old Tunnel State Park and Bankersmith around 6:40 p.m. Central Standard Time. Stonewall, Sisterdale and Luckenbach around 6:45 p.m. Central Standard Time. Albert and Kronkowski State Natural Area around 6:50 p.m. Central Standard Time. Nelson City, Candalia, Pflugraf and Welfare around 6:55 p.m. Central Standard Time. Other locations impacted by these severe thunderstorms include Crown, Cascade Caverns, and Scenic Oaks. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. The National Weather Service has issued severe thunderstorm watch number 56, effective until 10 p.m. Central